Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica with us in the shop today, and pretty much it came in because it stopped brewing espresso. It would try to, and then it will stop midway, and it will use the steam wand for some odd reason, and it will try to push water through the steam wand. So we did replace the whole steam wand assembly. I do have your older one here to see how it works. As you can see, this is your steam wand on the bottom right here, and this will be where you'll put the knob to twist it back and forth. As you can see, you can kind of move it a little bit. It's kind of hard. These are the connections these are pretty much the switch. As you can see, they're kind of a little bit corroded. I don't know if that's the problem, but we did resolve the problem by replacing this whole assembly. And then this is where your water will come through, water will come out, stuff like that. So now we are going to test all the functions of the machine. I just turned it off, turned it on to make sure it's running, make sure it gets to all its cycles. We are going to do a one shot for our test. We're going to do two of them, one shot, one two shot, just to make sure that it doesn't turn off on itself. So we're going to start with a one shot here. We're using our test coffee for this one. You can hear it. Now it's going to push and extract. We're using the third grind setting for this. As you can see, it brewed a full cup without stopping itself. Now it's getting back to home position and get ready to make another coffee. And we are going to make another coffee, but we're going to do a two shot. And we're going to use this metal container here to do that because it's going to pour more. And all we're doing here is just trying to see if it will stop itself from making espresso. Now it's getting ready to brew. Now it's starting to brew. And we are going to test the hot water and the steam function just to make sure that part's working because we did replace the whole assembly. We want to make sure that stuff works before sending it back with you. As you can see, it brews espresso quite well. Again, this is the one shot. Looks really good. We are going to test the hot water function first because, as you can see, a steady stream. The knob's still working as intended since it's a brand new one. Then we're going to stop that and we're going to test the steam function by turning this off, then testing steam. As you can see, a very powerful steam wand on this one, and everything's working as intended. Thank you for the repair on this beautiful machine. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.